Hey everybody, so I got these new lamps from, I guess it's Totwoo. These were sent over to me to review, and these are long distance touch lamps. So they're supposed to be where if you touch it in one location, it will trigger in the other location for your loved one. All right, so in each box, you get a lamp, of course. You get one USB cable, which these are Type C, and you do get a brick in each one. You also get your setup guide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a moment to look at the setup guide before I get in here and kind of show you everything. I'll give you some close-ups of the lamps as well. So it has more of like a wood look to it on the bottom ring and at the top of the button. And yeah, let me go ahead and read this and we'll see how it works. All right, so this did take me a few minutes to figure out, but part of it was I was having an issue with the Android. I was trying with a Samsung S22 Ultra, and it just wouldn't pair, or it would pair, but it wouldn't share. It was having issues with that. So what I ended up doing was using my iPhone for one and my iPad for the other one, and I made two separate accounts to make it seem like separate locations, and they're both on different Wi-Fi networks. Now, with the app, you'll be able to see, both the lamps on the app. You'll be able to control both the lamps on each lamp. So if you share them, you have to share each one to each person. So let's say this was Susie and this was Jake. Jake would have to share with Susie, and then Susie would have to return the share with Jake in order for it to work. Once you do that, it will work. I found the easiest way to do it is AirDrop. If you both have iOS and you can both do AirDrop and then connect them, and then it's a lot easier. All right, so I can control the lights either through the apps, or the idea behind the whole thing is the touch share. So I'm not even gonna mess with the apps because that's not really the point of this one, but you can do everything with the apps. The app will also give you a little bit more control, like if you wanted to do different colors and things like that, and you want to select the exact one. So maybe you want to do like a red or like a pinkish, or you want to do like a blue. And if you're shared, it will do them both. But if you just want to do like the actual touch on the front of these, there are two buttons. So there's one button for the touch for the color, and then there's another button for the brightness. So pressing that, you'll be able to dim it down, or you can brighten it back up. And you'll do the same thing with theirs. And then hit your touch button to change the color. It'll change their color as well with it. And then, of course, you could always turn the sync off if you don't want to do this. The idea is that you're kind of staying in touch. Anyway, I think they're pretty neat. I had a little hiccup when it came to the Android, but I've had a lot of issues with the Samsung lately, especially after the last couple updates. So I think it could be an Android thing right now. The iOS, they sync perfectly. They connected just right. They shared just right. So this might be a little easier with the iOS. I can't say. I don't have another Android phone to use right now to test that part. But anyway, if you're looking for pretty neat little lamps that you could share with a loved one, or I mean, you could even put these on both your bedside tables, and when you touch one, you'll change the color for both. It always works. That's probably what I will do personally, because I don't have anybody I'm going to give this to. But they are pretty neat, and yeah, I mean, if you're looking for something like this, they do work.